Hello everyone, it is Computer Tech 2996 and I am bringing you another video. Today we are going to be reviewing another product, which I haven't done in a while, and we will be doing the Logitech Keys to Go keyboard, one of the coolest keyboards I think I'd ever purchased, and it is Bluetooth compatible, so you won't have a problem, and it is compatible to pretty much any device you could think of. So, as you can see there, Bluetooth compatible. Let's open it. So the box has which I don't understand why I had to open this box so many times. Wow. The box has your Keys to Go keyboard. So just pull it out. I love the way these keys feel. I feel like they're incredible. They're soft. And the reception from you typing to it getting to the screen is pretty accurate. So I think that that's pretty awesome. And you're also going to see in here a bunch of instruction manuals, as well as a stand and a charger. So this stand is for mobile phone, but I was able to get my 7th gen iPad in there. So yet again, this is me pulling out all the paperwork, as you can see. And here's the charger. Just gonna pull it out. Come on, girl. There we go. There's the charger. Pretty awesome. So the stand just goes in like so, and you'll kind of see on the first end how it like fits into place nicely. So just make sure you slip it in tight all the way into the end, and then you'll see that it can't go anymore. There's no gaps. And you do the same for the other side. I had a bit of a struggle here, but no big deal, you know? And there, that's what it looks like on this end. And that's what it should look like on the other end, just the same. So here's your power indicator, or your power on. Should be green, red means off. Right next to it you have a charger, and right above here you have your battery button, which will indicate green for battery and red for no battery, and I believe there's like a yellow orangey for low battery. And then you fit your charger in there, and you saw how I was putting my iPad in there, no problem, and then the charger fits smoothly in there. Love the way these keys feel. Again, I said it, they're soft, they're squishy, they're awesome. And by the time you're typing, it's already receiving it on the other end to the device, which is pretty crazy. So to connect this device, go into your settings, go into Bluetooth, and make sure that your keyboards is on, and it'll be searching for a device called Keys to Go. Give it a click, and then it'll connect, and it should say connected. Once it's connected, you are ready to go. I feel like this is such a great keyboard for like many different reasons, and I mean it's so portable too, because you can literally take it apart, you can put it into your purse, and you have no problems whatsoever, and you can take it wherever you go. You can keep it at home, you can go to work with it, you can go to school with it, and it works just as well. This is the buttons, and the first button was to go home, second button is to open up your app drawer, third button is to search, second world button, at first I didn't know what it was for, but that's when you're in your keyboard settings to switch in between. And the next button is to open up the keyboard on the screen. Then there's a camera button, which doesn't do anything but takes a screenshot. And then you've got all your play, fast forward, and music volume buttons. So this is me in notes. We're testing out this keyboard and we're typing a message. And as you can see, from the moment I place my finger on the key and I start typing, it is so receptive. This is so amazing, it's so quick, so easy to use. I was actually very fond and very excited of the way this was working, and it is pretty satisfying. Like, I guarantee you will be typing for quite a while. But again, Logitech did it, and I'm so excited that they did, because most of their products aren't so budget friendly, if I would say, and there are people around here who can't spend a lot of money. This ran down for about $60-$70. And for a standard decent keyboard, I would say that's okay, and it does everything that it's supposed to. It comes in gray, black, and I believe it also comes in red. So it's pretty awesome, pretty cool, portable. You can take it wherever you go. It can connect to, even though the box says iOS, you can connect it to Android or any other device that you would like to. And I think it's amazing. If you guys like this video, feel free to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe for new videos, because I am back and I'm running with more videos. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.